LPS Ayla TV. Woo! Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, my new channel name, and today I have a lot to celebrate about. A new LPS came today, and it's from Sarah Morano, and the date is 12, like the ship date is 12/8/18. Like that means December 8th, 2018. And there's an LPS in there. I'm so excited. So my mascot's gonna go right there. There. And here's some like the crazy cat lady, but I'm not gonna show you until later. So at the end I'm gonna show you the crazy cat lady figures. So I will open this up. Okay guys, I'll try to open this. And here we go. Hold on guys, I'm gonna pause this for a minute. I finally opened this up, so oh my gosh! Oh my gosh, it's our Bon Bon Kitten. If you won't see the face. But it's so cute. Like, oh my god. Let me open it's like covered in tape. Why did somebody do that? Like someone covers the tape into something and they like tape and so here she comes. Oh my gosh, that's a lot of tape. Here she comes. That's a lot of tape in this. How did somebody do that? Like if somebody sells it and they wrap tape on it. Hold on a second guys, I'm trying to do it. Like, oh my god, I did it, here she comes. This is the new LPS, I want to feel her so bad. This is taking too long. Like, oh my gosh, she's so cute. Her face looks so adorable, like, look at it. Can't see him turn on the light. Here it is. If you want to see my cat. Here they are. I'm not going to show you that at the end. I was showing you them. I apologize, guys. So, I'll just cut this. Cute little Bon Bon Kitten. What? How did I do that? Oh my god. Oh my gosh, it's coming. Oh, I almost got it. I'm cutting this a little bit because it's going to take too long and the video turns off a lot. I almost got it, guys. Oh my gosh, I almost got it. Here she comes. Here is this LPS. I always wanted this. The Bon Bon Kitten LPS. Yeah, I'm trying to take. Here is the Bon Bon Kitten LPS. You see the face right here? I'm going to show. Where did my Cocker Spaniel go? Oh, there it is. Here is the Cocker Spaniel. And the heads, well, the heads. Oh, this head is extremely wobbly like the Cocker Spaniel. We're twins! Just kidding. Yeah, this Cocker Spaniel is cute. I got it for my birthday about a month ago on November 26, 2018. But this one is so cute. Thank you so much for this. And I hope you guys like this video, and subscribe and comment down below if you have this one. So, if you have the Bon Bon Kitten that arrived today. So, bye guys!